We'll guide you through how to fix a white screen on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So you're finding that you're stuck on a white screen. So this can be really worrying and annoying because then you can't go and use your iPhone and you may be thinking that it's gone and broken. But don't worry, hopefully with the help of this video, we're going to be able to go and resolve it. Usually this is going to be a software problem, and so we can go and get out of it. I'm going to guide you through how this can be done. And the method we're going to cover doesn't require you to go and touch the screen at all. It's actually by using the buttons. And it's important to note, this is not going to go and lose any of your personal files or data. So your photos, your files, your contacts are not going to be lost. So what we're going to be doing is something called a forced restart. So what we can do is go and restart this, and it should then go and resolve the problem. You may be thinking how when you can't go and touch the screen, but don't worry, we can actually go and use a button shortcut. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, so keep watching so you know exactly what you need to do. So what we're going to be doing here is you need to go on to the left to go and get started, and you're going to be pressing the volume increase, then you'll press the decrease, then come onto the other side, and you'll go and tap and hold the side button. That all needs to be done quickly and consecutively. We're going to guide you through that now. So what you need to do is you need to go and press the volume increase, decrease, and then tap and hold the side button like so. Now you want to go and keep this held down. Depending upon what's happened with your phone, you may go and find that the screen goes and stays white. In some cases, you may go and see the slide to power off, but don't touch anything. Just keep it held down, and you only release that side button when you go and see the Apple icon. And this indicates that it's now coming back on. So be patient when this loads. Older iPhones will take a little bit longer in order to go and start again. This is a iPhone 17. That doesn't matter though, but it should be quite fast to come back on, and hopefully the problem should then go and be resolved. As I said, often it's just a software problem. As you can see, it's now back on. So then what we can do is go and swipe up. I can go and enter in the passcode, and now I can go and use it as normal, and we've gone and got out of the white screen. So hopefully that's now gone and resolved the problem. It can be really worrying and stressful because you may think, how can I go and fix this without using the screen? But the forced restart should go and resolve it. And if you run into any other problems with your iPhone, often a forced restart will go and solve it. It's a really great way to go and get out of sticky situations with your iPhone. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post guides like this every single day, so I'm sure you go and find something else useful. So feel free to go and check out the channel. Otherwise, I look forward to help you again in the next guide.